I've always been a small-town guy. Quiet mornings, friendly neighbors, and everyone knowing everyone else's business. But last month, I decided to take the plunge. I was tired of going around in circles, same job, same routine. So I packed my bags and moved to Capital City. Time to start from scratch, I told myself. My friend Nina had a spare room. She said, "Just don't bite off more than you can chew, Leo." I laughed. Too late for that. The first week was a nightmare. I got lost taking the subway. Twice. I dropped my phone in a puddle. And I showed up late on my first day at my new job. "You're cutting it close, aren't you?" my boss said. That's when I knew this wasn't going to be a walk in the park. The office was fast-paced, and people spoke so quickly. Every meeting felt like I was in over my head. Nina gave me a pep talk over coffee. "Leo, you're not giving yourself enough credit. You've only been there a week. Don't throw in the towel just yet." She was right. The next day, I put my best foot forward. I stayed late, took notes, even helped a coworker fix a broken printer. My colleague Rachel said, "Wow, Leo. You really hit the ground running today." That felt good. A few weeks in, the boss picked me to present at a big meeting. "Don't worry," he said, "just keep it short and sweet." I was ready. I stayed up all night, made slides, even practiced in the mirror. But halfway through the presentation, the projector died. I froze. Then I said, "Well, when life gives you lemons, right?" The room laughed. I kept going without the slides. And somehow, I nailed it. My boss clapped. "You really think on your feet." I finally started making friends at work. Rachel invited me to a game night. At first, I felt like a fish out of water, but after a few rounds of charades, I was laughing so hard I couldn't breathe. "Hey Leo," she said, "you've really come out of your shell." It felt amazing to belong. But life isn't all sunshine. One morning, I found out I lost one of our biggest clients. I had missed a deadline by one day. My heart sank. My boss said, "Leo, you really dropped the ball on this one." I felt awful. That night, I told Nina, "Maybe I'm just not cut out for this." She said, "No. You made one mistake. You'll bounce back. You always do." So I doubled down. I sent an apology to the client. Offered a free design revision. Even sent them cookies. No joke. A week later, they emailed back, "Thanks for your effort. We'll give you one more shot." I smiled. "Okay, Leo," I said. "Time to get your act together." 3 months later, I got promoted. The boss called me into his office. "You've gone the extra mile, Leo. We want you to lead a new project." I texted Nina, "Remember when I wanted to give up? Glad I didn't." She replied, "Told you you'd turn things around." Looking back, the big city isn't so scary anymore. It's messy, loud, sometimes unforgiving. But it's also exciting, full of chances to grow. I still mess up. I still miss the train. But every day, I remind myself, I didn't come this far just to quit. Sometimes, to get where you want to go, you have to step out of your comfort zone, take the leap, and trust that you'll land on your feet.